Hello everyone, welcome back to the Glitch Sip channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Lightite Ore. First, I recommend using the Arcane Pickaxe or a better one. You should also have the Luck Potion and the Mining Potion. These potions increase your chances of getting rare materials when mining. Go to the second map. The best location is the upper area of the map where you'll find many basalt rocks and basalt cores. This is where I found most of my Lightite Ore. As you can see, there are many basalt cores in this area. With the Mining Potion and Luck Potion active, you'll have a much higher chance of getting Lightite Ore. This area is perfect for farming because of the large number of basalt rocks available. And that's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Glitch Sip for more guides and tutorials.